If you want to unlink your Paramount Plus account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Paramount Plus. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found in the Profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will show all the accounts linked to your Paramount Plus profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook within the Linked Accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the unlinking process. Confirm your choice to complete the disconnection of your Paramount Plus account from Facebook. After following these steps, your Paramount Plus account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.